Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to hold guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno phone mobile hotspot full setting, how to set up mobile hotspot on Tecno mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Tecno mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Tecno mobile. Friends, click on Tecno mobile hotspot setting, and friends click on Wi-Fi hotspot. And friends, first of all you can enable your personal hotspot from right side. After enable friends, you can use your personal hotspot setting. First of all friends, click here hotspot setting. Friends, first we can check hotspot device name. Hotspot device name you want to rename, so you can rename. So friends, I will rename into mobile hotspot Tecno, and okay. Friends, click on password. Friends, you want to check your hotspot password. Friends, you want to copy password, so you can copy. You want to cut password, you can cut, and you can set new password. So friends, I will use 001234 and friends, your password is 7 letters, so you cannot change, you cannot set password guys. Your password should be 8 digit, 8 letters. Then friends, you can change your hotspot password. Friends, click here save hotspot setting. If you click back button, so friends you can see notification. You want to change your hotspot setting or not? Yes, I want to change. Save change. Friends, device name will change, hotspot password will change on our device. Share hotspot. Friends, nearby device you want to share your mobile hotspot, you can share your mobile net, mobile to mobile. Friends, click here one time data limit. Friends, one time data limit you want to on your device, so you can on data limit and you can set data limit. Friends, you want to set 100 MB, 200 MB, 500, 400, 450 MB, GB. You can set your data limit, and okay option data limit will set and data limit will on. Friends, you want to off, so you can off data limit from here. Friends, you can see turn off hotspot automatically. Friends, if you on your turn off hotspot automatically, friends you can see when no device are connected, hotspot will off automatic. So like that friends, we can use mobile hotspot setting. We can set up Tecno mobile hotspot from here. So I hope friends you understood how to set a mobile hotspot. So bye friends, thanks for watching. Friends, you don't want to use, you can disable your mobile hotspot. After disable friends, your mobile hotspot icon will remove from your status bar. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.